Alright guys, welcome to my channel Crypto Combat. Today I'll be talking about new features on HAMSTER Kombat because you see they upgraded their platform right here, and I'll be showing you guys real quick. Okay, and people are actually complaining why are they turning around stuff like that, because they added new features and new tasks to be done. Okay, and people are eager for this project to launch, right? So today I'm going to be showing you guys their features, okay, where they have placed them. As you can see here, they now place buy skin, okay, close to your level by your left hand side, and also they brought out a new task, okay, key, okay, and now this new task will be is now displayed, okay, on the surface right here. Okay, they call it mini game, right? So you're gonna see daily reward, daily cipher, daily combo, and mini games, right? So, and also the interesting part right here is to make everything looks easy. They just displayed how is it called, they also put in a new how is it called, auto clicker on their platform right here, the one you're seeing moving, right? Let me show you guys this one right here. Okay, you can drag it and place it anywhere else. So right here I'm just gonna like do a real review about a quick how is it called, show off on this new how is it called, auto clicker right here. Okay, so I'm just gonna like tap on it. Okay, when you click on it, you tap on this plus right here. Okay, it's going to come out 5 zeros, right? Now you have to click on play. So as you can see here, it's clicking it for you. All right, it saves you to go it saves you the stress of downloading auto clicker on Play Store, okay, coming out, setting up everything to start playing this thing. Okay, start clicking. So this is the easiest part of it. Okay, so right here I'm just gonna like pause this, and I'm just gonna head on the mini games, okay, that I showed you. So right here, when you click on this play right here, you're gonna see how to play the game. Okay, it's just to move the candlestick. Okay, as they said it here, it's a move market candle and candles and get keys. Okay, maybe the way what people are actually saying is that maybe Hamster is looking for a way to, you know, and disqualify people, okay, so that they will be able to pay, you know. I don't know, but that's what people are talking about. Okay, and it sounds kind of true, you know, because the tax is so stressful, time is limited, okay, and you know, before you can calculate in doing all these things, you fail. And when you fail, they're gonna redirect you to go watch movies. Okay, I failed and I don't want to play it right here. Okay, so when I want to do this, when I get the how's it called, the video, okay, of this, I'm just gonna like make a video on how to play this and post it. Okay, so you guys gonna see. But right here, let me just show you guys real quick on how everything has been done right here. So as you can see here, 30 seconds is being added. All right, it's been given to you 30 seconds. Tell me how you're gonna like, you know, make the whole thing that quick within 30 seconds. So right here, I'm just gonna like move this. No, I'm just gonna like, so as you can see, time up. Okay, I'm just gonna have to retry within 1 hour. I mean, this is impossible. That's why people are angry about this. So believe me, you can't go around doing this thing in less than 30 seconds. They're not even giving you 1 minute at least to try and see how you can calculate and do whatever you want to do for you to get this. I mean, truly they are trying to disqualify people. Okay, I mean, being CEO is so stressful, you know, on this game. So you guys have to be wise, and let's look for a way to, you know, make sure we're gonna do this. So when I get this video of like a day video, because people are still cracking this thing because it's not easy. Okay, it's not easy at all. So let's see how everything is gonna go, and I'm gonna show you guys a video. But I'll be dropping a video on my YouTube short, okay, showing you guys on how to make this thing work. Okay, so thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up, okay, on this video.